This tutorial will give you a brief overview of the contacts page. Basically, contacts are the people that you're going to be sending your messages to. From this contacts page, you're able to go and you can add new people, sort them, add groups, modify groups. You can do everything right through this page. So right here are the 4 options on how to create groups and add people to your account. So what you could do here, this is how you individually add people. This is where you just put their first name, last name, phone number, email address. Miscellaneous is a field meant for if you're an apartment complex and you want to put their unit they're in, if you want to put any other information you want. It's basically just for your info. So let's add somebody in real quick. And you just put a phone number here. And then email address is if you want to send messages out to that person. And for miscellaneous, let's try apartment 1. And then here's if you want to add that person to an existing group, or you can create a new group and put them in it. So for right now, we'll just go ahead and add that person. And you'll see right here, it has his first name, his last name, the miscellaneous column, phone number, email address. From there, you can go ahead and you can edit anybody you want. You can delete them. You can actually add them to groups. So right now, let's see, there are some groups in here. So what you would do if you want to add somebody to a group, let's say we want to put Jack Johnson into a group, you check him off and then hit add selected to group. And then you pick the group you want to put him into. And then he's been placed in that group. So now we can go here and there he is. And then you can go ahead and you can remove him from that group. If you click on his edit, you can see that he's in group A. So you can actually remove him from that. At the top here, this is basically it'll just show by last name if you're picking the letter. You can ungroup, it'll show the people that don't have any groups. You can hit all, make sure it's always on all. You can use the search function here. You can put in somebody's name or phone number, pretty much anything. So let's try by email address. We'll put JJOH, and you'll see that'll pull that person up. Make sure you delete that back out to see everybody again. If you want to create groups, you hit this button right here. You can go ahead and say there's actually different permission settings. Right now, we'll get into that in a different tutorial, but for right now we're just going to use default permissions. And then from there, you'll see the group's been created. And then you can add new people to that, or pretty much anything you need. We'll go ahead and do a tutorial about how to upload contacts because that's a little bit different. But basically what you do is you just pick an Excel file that's on your computer. You select the columns of what's in which which column has which data in it, and then you can just go ahead and import it. You can quick add phone numbers. This is basically where you just copy and paste a list of phone numbers in. It's real straightforward. You would put it in any 10-digit format, so you could do like 555, and then you could do it like that. You can have it like this. As long as they're 10 digits, you can just copy and paste them all in there. So say you have a big list of them. Boom. You just put them all right there. Pick a group that you put them in. That's pretty much it. It's real easy to use. If you have any questions, just contact support. We can walk you through it or help you out with anything you might need. All right. Thank you.